Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add 3 to 4 digit numbers without regrouping. That means no carrying over, just clean and simple addition. Are you ready? Let's begin. So let me show you two simple ways to add 3 to 4 digit numbers without regrouping. So in this example, how to add 1,621 plus 4,133 plus 2,200. Now let's start learning how to add using expanded form. Solution number 1. Express the grouping into symbols by writing the equivalent numbers into expanded form. 1,621 in expanded form, it is 1,000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 1. 4,133 in expanded form, we have 4,000 plus 100 plus 30 plus 3. 2,200 in expanded form, we have 2,000 plus 200 plus 0 tens plus 0 ones. And this is the next step. Add the numbers in expanded form. So we're going to add 1,000 plus 4,000 plus 2,000. The answer is 7,000. Next, we add 600 plus 100 plus 200 equals 900. Next, we add 20 plus 30 plus 0. The answer is 50. The next one, we add 1 plus 3 plus 0. The answer is 4. And the next step is write the sum in standard form. We have 7,000 plus 900 plus 50 plus 4 is equal to 7,954. Okay, now here's another way of adding numbers. Put the given numbers in the place value chart before adding them. So numbers must be written first in their appropriate column. Okay, before we start adding, here's something very important to remember. Put the given numbers in the place value chart before adding them. Make sure each digit is written in the correct column, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. If the numbers are not lined up properly, you might end up with the wrong answer. Again, make sure to write each digit in the correct column, ones, tens, hundreds, and so on. Okay, we have our step number 1. Add the ones. Our ones here, we have 1 plus 3 plus 0 equals 4. Okay, after adding the ones, step number 2, we're going to add the tens. So we have 2 plus 3 plus 0 equals 5. And then the next step is to add the hundreds. We have 6 plus 1 plus 2 equals 9. Then the next step is to add thousands. We have 1 plus 4 plus 2 equals 7. Therefore, the correct answer is 7,954. Okay, now it's practice time. Now it's your turn. Try to solve this on your own. So write in column and then find the sum. Okay, so that's all for now. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more easy math lessons. See you next time on Math Texture, where math is made simple and fun. Thank you for watching.